Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create your business flyer or a business flyer for yourself or for your brand or for somebody else. So just follow through as I teach you. So first of all, you come to your pixellab and you change the background to a white background. So you come to color. So okay, let me show you. First of all, come to this place to change the color. Yes. So we're using white color. So the background is changed now. So we'll start from here. Once you have this plain background, this is where your design starts from. So this is the basics of like your drawing board or like a plain white board where you can add anything. So this is what we'll be working with. This is the size. So the size is, let me show you the size. Come to here, come to this place to check, to know the size. So I'll tell you the size there. So this size is, the wideness is 1280, while the height is also the same. The height and the wideness is the same thing. So this you should also make your own like this, the same size, the same number, the same ratio. Okay, so let's go. So for the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring our background color, the background I'll be using for this design. So I'll come to that, I'll click the plus icon, enter from gallery, then I'm going to import the background I'll be using. So this is the background I'll be working with. So I'm trying to adjust the picture, the image, so that it will fit in with our background. Make sure your background is okay. So I think this one is okay. So after this, I'll come to this place here. So we'll lock our background. So I'm going to lock the background so that it will not be moving, be interrupting our design, our work. So I'm going to lock this background. Come to this place, enter this lock icon, and you're okay. So once I'm through with this one, will start to import other stuff, other images. So come to the plus icon. So I'm going to import some things, some icons. So this is the face of our design. This is the face of our design. So we place this one here. And okay, and something you need to know is that whenever you're designing, whenever you're using different background, you need to make sure that the other image you are bringing into your background there should be like a connection. I don't understand if you understand what I'm saying. There should be it should not be an entirely different color. Like there should be a particular color that is the same with our background, so that it will blend well. If you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm going to start with the name of this uh, this thing we're designing. So I'll come to text, enter text. You're going to write the name of the brand, or the name of the business, or the business name. Yes. So I'll type the name of the the business name. So this is the name of the business name we'll be using. So duplicate this one. You already know how to duplicate. If you want to duplicate any object or anything or any text, just come to that icon there, this copy, to duplicate it. So I duplicated this one, so that I will not do the stress to retype it again. So I just duplicate it, then cancel this one, then add the write-up I want to use. So first of all, there's something I'm supposed to add, so I'm going to add it. So this flower here, this flower that you're seeing here, so I want to cover it, in the sense that I don't want it to show, because if I place this our name, the brand name or the business name here, the flower it will not go well. It's not going to blend very well. So I'm going to cover it in a very systematic way. Okay, so let me show you. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it. So how am I going to cover it? So just follow through. So I'm going to import an image, then extract that image. Then after extracting that image, I will take off the original form of the video and make it plain. Then I'm going to turn that image or that element, so the color of this, our background color, so that it will blend very well. So just follow me and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to from gallery, then I'm going to import the image I'll be extracting that from. Also, you can use anything, but there's an image I extracted that from. So I'm using this cloud. Okay. The first thing I'll do, I'll come to opacity. This opacity here. I'll come to opacity, then reduce the opacity to 0. Yes. Then I'll now come to shadow. Come to shadow. Enter shadow. Yes, it will turn to black. So after it turns to black, I'll come to this place, this plus icon there, to customize the color. Okay, enter the plus icon, then come to this icon here to choose the color where you are taking the color from. So just enter that plus that icon. So now it's showing us now the all the elements, all the pictures in the pixellab, the one we are working on right now. So it's showing all the colors. So you are going to choose the color you want to customize it. So I'll be using this one, the background color. Enter. So I'm going to pick the color that's when the blend when I'm using it when I'm using it on that shadow to look the same, to be the same color with our background. So that's the color I'll be using. Okay, this one is yes. This is the color. See now, you see the background. It has blended with background very well. You not even know that there's another image or something else. So that is it. So after doing this, I'm going to increase the blur radius. I'm going to increase it. The reason why I'm increasing it so that it will not be too thick. The reason will not be too thick. If you understand what I'm saying. So that it will not be too thick. Okay, so let's go. Alright, I cancelled it. So this is it. So I'm going to take this one forward to front. Okay. So this I'm going to lock this guy so that it's not going to be disturbing us. So always use your maths, so always use your maths. So I'm going to lock this one. Always remember to lock whenever you are done. Lock it so that it will not disturb. I'm going to take this one to the front. So I'm going to change this the front. I'm going to put the font we'll be using. So I'll come to font, enter font, then choose the font you want. So based on your pixellab, you can use a similar font. So I'm going to pick, there's a font I'll be using. So also do it to pick a similar font. Sorry guys, I'm still looking for the font. or I can use anyone, sure. This is just, I'm just trying to show you.